In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, we the human being, we have some genetic, intrinsic, instinctive weaknesses. And those intrinsic weaknesses of ours have made us a slave of all those things. There are five basic desires, needs come desires. A very little amount of that is a need, maybe 5% of it, maybe in certain cases less than 5% of it, in certain cases 10% or so of it. Very little of it is a need, the rest of it is just a greed, just an ambition. What are those five things? Food. Food is a necessity. But player food is not a necessity. Usually people fell ill because of this so called tasty, enjoyable, playable food. Simple food, it is a necessity and it does not make someone else ill usually. Then is the romance or the sex or mating or that is also a, a kind of genetic, intrinsic, instinctive necessity or weaknesses. Necessity. But people are looking for much more than their necessity. We don't need to go into the details of that. Then comes the ego. Ego is not a necessity. It is just a, I think that desire that people should respect me, that the people should bow ahead of me, that the people should obey me, they should comply to the instructions, they should respect me, they should try to create the comforts for me, they should be very much cooperative towards me, they should be very obedient to me, they should be very friendly to me, they should be very much, you can say, under my control. It is not a necessity at all. It is it is a total, unlike the previous two, it is a total useless, total ambition and not a need at all. Although, although it is good to, it is good to, or it is a need, as well as it is useful, as well as it is good, that we are having a relationship with some of the people and are on equal footings on the basis of equality. The three of these things. The fourth is the comforts. The comforts mean a sofa, and that too an expensive sofa is a luxury, comfort. It's not a necessity. The room is a necessity, house is a necessity, and a simple house is a necessity, but a luxurious house, a super house, it's not a necessity, it is an ambition, it is a desire, it is a. And certain other thing. Vehicle is a necessity, maybe, but the public transport is also available. Vehicle is a necessity, or a public transport is a necessity. Transport is a necessity, but having a private luxurious cars and a fleet of luxurious cars, it is not a necessity at all. It is quite a desire and nothing but a desire. This is the fourth thing. And there are plenty of other luxuries as well. This is not the only one, not the only one at all. Rather, it was just to communicate what is the difference between the necessity and what is the difference between the necessity and the luxury. Lost. but not the least, that is amusement, entertainment. Every one of us want to be amused. Some of the people, they want to remain in amusement, in entertainment for most of the time, for quite a lot of time. They want to spend quite a good amount of money upon it, on the amusement, on the entertainment. I think this is not good either. This is not good either. We can do that by just roaming here and there, even on foot. And there are plenty of other things as well. And up to that extent, it is okay, but uh, having a desire to own many of the sources of amusement and entertainment, spending a very good amount of money upon it, spending a very good amount of time upon it. It is not a necessity but a desire only. And as for the desires are concerned, I am of the view that we must not have many of the desires. There is a proverb or a saying or a maxim of English that says to reduce the burden of life, reduce the luggage of desires, to make the journey of life easy, to make the journey of life easy, reduce rather minimize the luggage of desires. Is a luggage. Are the liabilities, and these liabilities actually, as a matter of fact, these are the liabilities. These are the liabilities because a human being becomes their slave. We should not become their slave at all. And if at all we do become the slave of our desires, I think that we have ensured that our life is going to be a failure, that our life is going to be an unsuccessful one, and we are not going to be a success at all. We are not going to be a success at all. We need to minimize, we need to control, we need to rather reduce as much as possible. As for the luggage of desires are concerned, as for these liabilities are concerned, we might be of the view, we might think that I am a lucky enough, that I am a successful enough, but as a matter of fact, this is neither a good luck nor a success. Rather, I think so. The simpler our life is, the happier we become, the stronger we become, and each one of us want to become a happy human being. Each one of us want to become a stronger human being. To be a stronger human being, we need to minimize, we need to reduce, we need to control the luggage of desires, and that is the only way I think so that we can make our life easy. That is the only way we can become a strong human being, a mentally strong human being, and up to an extent or up to great extent we can enjoy the peace of mind as well. I think these things are genuine necessity and we must be striving and struggling for it. Thank you. Jazakallah.